Hello guys, today we make homemade cheese with vegetable rennet. This vegetable rennet is homemade, I made it in the last video. For this recipe we need 50 ml of vegetable rennet, 5 liters of milk, I will use cow milk, and 250 ml of cream, fresh cream. How we should work it? Now we put the milk and the cream inside the pot, we turn on the stove and we should reach the temperature of 37 Celsius degree. After we can add the rennet. Reach 37 Celsius degree, we switch off the fire, we add the rennet and we mix very well. Also 1 minute, because all the rennet should go in the pot everywhere, mixing with the milk. After, when everything is mixed very well, we cover with the lid and we don't touch our pot for 60 minutes. Okay guys, see you in 1 hour. And after 60 minutes, nothing happened. But don't worry, we don't know the power of this rennet. So you turn on again the fire, check the temperature, should be 37 Celsius degree. We add other 50 ml of rennet, we stir very well, we cover and we wait other 60 minutes. Our milk curd, perfect. So now with a long knife, we should cut our curd in big slices, cover again our pot and wait 20 minutes. The whey is already divided from the curd, so we cut in small pieces or in smaller pieces, not too small, up to you, depend on the kind of cheese you want to make it. And now we wait other 20 minutes. The curd drop on the bottom. Now with a basket we can collect the curd and put in other 2 baskets. 2 are enough with this 5 liters of milk. At the end we will have 4 cheese instead of 2. Not tall like the basket, but small like this probably, because now all the whey inside the curd will drain. This is why you should put another basket under your cheese, and very important, a dish, or even better a cup, because you know the whey will go all around and you will fight with your wife. If this happens, we don't know each other. Remember, you are not following my channel. See you in few hours or maybe tomorrow morning for the update. Remember to remove the whey from the dishes. The whey that you collect, you can use it, as always I mentioned, for bread, for pizza dough, for other kind of dough instead of the water. But be careful, because when you do the vegetable rennet with the wild artichoke, that whey could be little bit bitter, so be careful, up to you. It's better if you taste it, if you like it, you can use it. I will update you later when the cheese become thinner. After 6 hours we put on them another basket and we turn them upside down. and after we can store them in the fridge. After 24 hours, that means 6 hours at room temperature and 18 hours in the fridge, we can add a little bit of salt to our cheese. Why? Only a little bit, because now we will add the salt only on the top without removing it from the basket. Because if you remove it now from the basket, you will break your cheese because it's still too soft. So like this, put upside down in a clean dish, sprinkle with the salt, and after we store again in the fridge. Remember, always sea salt without iodium. Very gently you turn your basket until the cheese is free from the basket, and after you remove it, always gently. Remember, be careful not to broken it or to crack it, because after the mold can enter in your cheese. But don't worry, it can happen that some one of them you broken it because they are very soft. Don't worry, I'll show you, can happen like this, but you can eat fresh. And the pieces that stick in the basket, you can taste it like this. Already spectacular after only 2 days. Now we put the salt on all of them, store again in the fridge. In few days we can test the fresh one, and the other we will wait until they are more mature. Mamma mia, this one I destroyed. See you in few days for the testing. Spectacular, very creamy. I want to wait few days more, but because tonight I have friends for dinner, I will cook them the Marocchino style chicken, the one made with the preserved lemon in the salt, and after they can taste also, or before, even better, for aperitivo, for appetizer, my spectacular cheese is very creamy. A pinch of salt, very spectacular. Okay guys, see you in a few days, because I will update you with the other cheese that are seasoning or maturing in the fridge. Bye. Spectacular. Very creamy. Outside is a little bit dry, but inside is very spectacular and very creamy. Now I divide it in two so you can see better the inside. And can you see how white is inside? Very creamy, spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried this kind of rennet, if you have tried this kind of cheese, or when you will try this recipe, let us know down in the comment. Or if you have some advice, some suggestion, they are always welcome, especially if you know other kind of rennet, different one from the cow, from the goat. So in this way we can try to make other kind of cheese in different part of the world. Bye bye. Spectacular.